What's up, boys? Lightning McQueen here with another episode of Elevator Interviews. I'm here at Dyckman Street today. Let's do it. We got the downtown 1 platform. This is elevator 178. Okay, let's take a look on both sides. Okay. Press platform, close the door. Elevator 178. The capacity is 2,100 pounds. So, if I remember carefully, back then it's only accessible on the downtown platform in 2014. However, 9 years later, the elevator for the uptown platform is accessible. Here's the elevator, and there's the 1 train. Okay, let's close the door. Okay, so as I said, it was only accessible on the downtown platform in 2014. 9 years later, they added the elevator for the uptown platform to make it fully accessible for both directions. So, the downtown elevator was placed into service by 2014, and the uptown elevator was placed into service by 2023. Let's get started on the uptown platform, shall we? We got Uptown and the Bronx. All these elevator tours is making me hungry. Okay, so if you want to know where the elevators are at, if you're on the downtown platform, the elevator is at the rear. And if you're on the Uptown and the Bronx bound platform, the elevator is at the front. Elevator 179, the capacity is 2,100 pounds. So it was everything. Dyckman Street became fully accessible in 2023.
Is an Uptown Local 1 train to Van Cortlandt Park, 242nd Street, approaching the station.
Here's the
from the platform edge.
Here's the elevator for the downtown platform, and here's the elevator for the uptown platform. Well, that's all the elevators I'm going to show you today. Thanks so much for watching. I need to go get something to eat. I'm getting hungry. Well, here's my 1 train. I'm just gonna go take the 2nd car. But it does need some cleaning. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time, boys.